Good morning, children. Welcome to math class. In the last session, we completed 9.8. Am I correct, children? So now everyone open Studio, page number 19. Okay, open Studio, page number 19, children. Some numbers are hiding in the garden. Circle the numbers. Okay, some numbers are hiding in the garden. Circle the numbers. Okay, here some numbers are there, children. So everyone find the numbers and circle. Okay, so where the numbers are? Yes, it is 9. So circle, children. Circle number 9. So here 3 is there. Circle this number. Okay, here find, observe, children, where the numbers are. Yes, here it is number 4. So circle number 4. Here 2. So circle number 2. It is 1, 0, 10. So circle 5, 11, and here 12. 1 to 12. Okay, children. Here it is 1 to 12. And here any more number is there, children? Everyone observe here. Yes, here. Okay, this is number 7. Okay, this is number 7. Circle number 7. Okay, circle the numbers like this, children. Here totally 4, 2, 7, 10, 5, 11, 12, 3, 9. Okay, so here these numbers are hidden in the garden. Now turn to next page, children. Turn to next page 9.10. In the smaller circles, write the numbers from 1 to 12 in order. Some are filled already. Okay, here given circles, no, children. So in this you have to write the numbers from 1 to 12. So here 1 given, no, children. So which number what comes after 1, children? 2. So write 2 in this circle. So 2 after 3, 4, 5. Here 6 given, children. 6 after 7. 7 after 8. 8 after 9. 9 after 10. 11 and 12. Okay, here I written 12, children. 1 to 12. 1 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, children, observe. Does it look like a clock? Is it look like a clock or not, children? Yes. In the clock you have to observe on the clock written numbers from 1 to 12. Yes, it is look like a clock. What is missing in the clock? Dried. So what is missing here, children? What is missing in the clock? Dried. So ఈ clock లో ఏం మిస్ అయ్యాయి? Hands. Okay. What is missing in the clock? Hands. Right here, hands. What is missing in the clock? Hands. Dried. Okay, children. We know that a clock has how many hands, children? A clock has 2 hands. Okay, a clock has 2 hands. For example, like this, I am showing my watch. You have to imagine this is like a clock. A clock has how many hands, children? Actually 3 hands, but you have to observe these 2, children. Okay, you have to observe these 2 hands. Okay, one is short hand and one is long hand. Okay, clock is having 2 hands. One is short size and one is long size. Okay, children. So here draw 2 hands. Okay, children, I am drawing like this. One is short and one is long. Okay, one is short and one is long. So now it look like a clock exactly. Am I correct? Yes. Okay, children, now observe. A clock usually has 12 numbers and 2 hands. A clock usually has 12 numbers 1 to 12, no, and 2 hands. The red hand in the above clock is the hour hand. Okay, red hand. This is short. Okay, this hand is our hand. Okay, our hand means we are reading 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours. No, children. So the red hand means short hand is our hand and long hand. The black one is the minute hand. So this is in black. No, this is minute hand. The hour hand is usually shorter than a minute hand. Yes, I said no, children. Hour hand is shorter and minute hand is longer. No, hour hand is usually shorter than the minute hand. Okay, children. So now I'll ask one question. A clock has how many hands? 2 hands. Okay, a clock has usually 12 numbers and 2 hands. One is hour hand. Okay, remember these 2 hands, hour hand and minute hand. Okay, hour hand and minute hand. Short hand is hour hand and long hand is minute hand. Okay, children. Look at the clock given below. Draw the hands on the clock starting from the center. Let the minute hand point at 12 and hour hand point at 7. Okay, children. Draw the hands on the clock. So now we have to draw the hands of this clock, children. So let the minute hand point at 12. So how to draw, children? So minute hand 12 దగ్గర ఉండాలి. Okay, draw everyone. Minute hand means it is longer. No, so draw longer. Minute hand point at 12 and hour hand point at 7. Okay, hour hand point at 7 means draw short hand. Okay, okay, it is our hand is shorter. No, children. So draw like this. This is our hand and this is minute hand. Okay, our hand point at 12. Sorry, minute hand point at 12 and our hand point at 7. And our hand is also some thicker than the minute hand, children. Okay, here minute hand is thinner means కొంచెం సన్నగా ఉంటుంది. And sorry, minute hand, this is minute hand. No, children. So minute hand is some thinner than the hour hand means minute hand కొంచెం సన్నగా ఉంటుంది. Okay, children. Minute hand కొంచెం సన్నగా ఉంటుంది and hour hand some thicker. Thicker means కొంచెం మందంగా లావుగా ఉంటుంది. Okay, children. So here minute hand is at 12 and our hand is at 7. So when the minute hand points to 12 and the hour hand to 7, the time is 7 o'clock. Okay, the time is 7 o'clock. So now observe, children. Here our hand is at 7, no, and minute has in 12, no. So we read this as 7 o'clock. Okay, we read this as 7 o'clock. Okay, children, once again I am repeating. Here minute hand at 12 and hour hand at 7, no, we read this as 7 o'clock. We read this time as 7 o'clock. We read a clock to know the time. Yes, this is correct, children. We are using clock to know the time. Read the time in each clock and fill in the blanks to write the time. One is done for you. Okay, write the time. One is done for you. So first, children, here the minute hand points to. So where the minute hand point here? Observe, children. Where the minute hand point here? Minute hand is long, no. So this is minute hand. So ekkundi minute hand point? At 12. So write 12. The minute hand points to 12. Next, the hour hand points. Where the hour hand, children? Hour hand is short, no. This is hour hand. The hour hand points to 3. Okay, the hour hand points to 3. Now the time is 3 o'clock. Okay, so observe this, children. Here our hand is point is at 3 and minute hand point at 12, no. So now we read this time as 3 o'clock. Okay, 3 దగ్గర ఉంది కదా short hand, our hand, it is 3 o'clock. Okay, now second one, the minute hand points to. Okay children, listen carefully. Minute hand is longer and hour hand is shorter. Where the minute hand here? Yes. Where okay, here now minute hand points to 12. ఎక్కడుంది ఇప్పుడు minute hand point? 12. So write 12. Okay. Next, our hand points to. Where the our hand here? Where it is? Our hand points at 8. Am I correct? So 8 దగ్గర ఉంది కదా, 8. Now the time is. What's the time now children? సో ఇక్కడ 3 ఉంటే 3 o'clock అని చెప్పాం. మరి ఇప్పుడు 8 దగ్గర ఉంటే 8 o'clock. ఓకే, now the time is 8 o'clock. Okay children, so write everyone like this, 8 o'clock. Okay, everyone write like this only children, 8 o'clock. 8 o and this and clock, it is 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. Okay, here our hand at 3, so 3 o'clock, and here 8 o'clock. Now turn to next page children, page number 22. Draw hands on each clock to show the time given. Okay, draw hands to the each clock to show the time given. So first it is 9, so 9 o'clock. Okay, so where we have to draw hands children? 9 o'clock means 9 o'clock. So 9 hours means draw our hand at point 9. Okay, draw our hand at point 9. Okay children, so draw our hand at point 9. Next, where we have to draw minute hand children? Draw minute hand at 12. Draw minute hand at 12. Okay children, once you have to observe here 3 o'clock means draw here. Now it is 3 o'clock means our hand at point 3 and minute hand at point 12. No, am I correct children? In our hand in 3 o'clock, our hand at point 3 and minute hand at 12. No, so like that 9 o'clock means our hand you have to draw at point 9 and minute hand you have to draw at point 12. Okay children, next 2 o'clock. So now how to draw children? Now it's 2 o'clock. Where we have to draw our hand? So our hand ekkada draw cheyali? 2 o'clock means draw our hand at point 2. Okay children, draw our hand at point 2. Draw our hand at point 2 and minute hand at point 12. Minute hand at point 12. చిల్డ్రన్ మీరు ఒక్క అవర్ హ్యాండ్ 2 దగ్గర డ్రా చేసి వదిలేసి ఇంకా మినిట్ హ్యాండ్ డ్రా చేయకపోతే దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఎట్ ఆల్ కరెక్ట్. ఓకే, సో డ్రా అవర్ హ్యాండ్ అండ్ మినిట్ హ్యాండ్ ఆల్సో. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, సో డ్రా అవర్, ఇట్స్ 2 o'clock. నో, డ్రా అవర్ హ్యాండ్ at 2 and minute hand at 12. Okay, so now here 6 o'clock means what we have to do children? Draw our hand at 6 and minute hand at 12. Okay, now it is 6 o'clock. No, draw our hand. Okay, our hand at 6 and minute hand at 12. So draw like this. Okay, draw like this children. Draw our hand at 6 and minute hand at 12. Okay children, you have to do remaining 3 this as homework children. Okay, draw the hands of 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock and 4 o'clock. Okay, I think are you clear children? A clock has 2 hands. Okay, this is our hand and this is minute hand. Okay, here our hand at point 9 and minute hand 12. Now it is 9 o'clock. Okay children, like that you have to draw the hands of remaining clocks and send to me. Thank you children. This is about today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.